the date today? Is it Monday the 18th?
Yes.
It's Monday the something of March 2019 and we're here at the beautiful resort of Flaine in the French Alps, and today I thought it'd be interesting to talk about what I think is the best camera for winter sports. So last night it snowed quite heavily, so and now the sun is sorted out, so we're going to enjoy a powder day. Look at that guy.
Yeah, he's making it look pretty easy.
There's more snow over there. More snow, the better.
Oh, that was amazing. Oh my gosh, another one.
Oh,
oh my gosh.
Right, let's go do that.
No.
Right, a lot of noise recently being made about Fuji cameras, and it's finally happened. Sorry Canon, I'm switching to Fuji. Got my new camera here. This is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Great for photo. I'm still trying to figure out how you get the cartridges to do video, but I'm guessing it's at least got 24 frames per second. Sort it out Canon, come on, up your game. People are switching.
Old school retro. It's instant, it's wonderful for the kids.
Helios gave us this to capture memories. They obviously saw me walk in with 2 cases of camera gear and thought, he needs one more. Is it better than Daddy's camera?
Daddy, is it set?
Yeah, I think so. Hang on, let me check. Right, I'm off to shoot some video with that Fuji camera. I've got my bearing now. La Caro is there, back there, and Morion is over there, and Flaine is up there, over there. See? Between the 2 trees. But we've just come down this rather nice, long and wide blue. I think it's called Plaine de Soleil. You really enjoyed that view, didn't you?
I did enjoy the view coming down here. It's
yes.
Between the trees.
It's big and wide.
Perfect for if you're learning. Big
and wide, and you get this rather magnificent panoramic view of this mountain here all the way down. There's this big wide open slope, so if you're looking for a big wide open blue, come to Caro side and look for Plaine de Soleil. It is so disgustingly bright. My variable ND filter is working really hard, but I think you might struggle in this. You sort of need an ND 64 and above.
Brilliant sunshine on the white snow, isn't it?
Yes.
So.
Oh yeah, the best action camera, in my humble opinion. When it comes to action cameras, you just really want to push a button and hold it out and let it do their thing. You don't want to be worrying about framing, keeping things in focus, keeping things exposed. You just want to have something that's rugged, ready, waterproof, whatever. So with that in mind, I would say for me the best action camera is the GoPro Fusion 360 camera, because you can just hold it out and not worry about where it's pointing. Obviously it can't do any kind of slow motion, or it does do 60 frames per second, but then the resolution is halved. But who knows, maybe they'll come out with a Fusion 2 and we'll have even bigger files to try and work with. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, informative, useful. Maybe you're thinking to get an action camera to go skiing, snowboarding,
mountain biking. They would be the
canoeing.
No, that's a bit slow.
Canoeing is a bit slow.
Well, it depends what kind of canoeing you're going to do.
Fast canoeing. Right, I'm definitely going to close this out now because my arm's getting tired, and I'm going to enjoy the view rather than stare at a lens.
You missed the best bit of the view. It was before the trees. It was quite amazing over that way.
Oh, why don't you tell me?
Down the valley. Well, you were in full flow. Have a look here.
Is that over here? It's coming up. Here it comes.
There. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, that's ridiculous.
We are absolutely on top of the world. It's amazing. Isn't it beautiful?
That's quite amazing.
All the mountains in the background as well.
Yeah, so there we go. Plaine de Soleil on the Caro side. Go and have a look for it. Is this where we get off?
Yes, you need to pick it up.
Alright, okay. Right. I'm getting off. See ya.